How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our MultiColor Raptor Linear, our MultiColor Virtue 8, and our MultiColor Z12 surface mounts paired with our GranDirect control box. Now, I did program a red-blue pattern for the Raptor and the MultiColor Virtue here, and then I programmed a red-blue pattern for the Zs, and then I also programmed an amber flash pattern in mode 2 on all of these units as well. So I wanted to cover how you can run your primary and secondary colors individually for 2 color setups using our GranDirect control box, and this will be a full vehicle setup. So here on our GranDirect control box, I have the Raptor run to the Grand side and the MultiColor Virtue run to the Direct side. Now you'll see here when I hit my power button in mode 1, I have that red-blue flash pattern programmed, and then up here on the Direct side, also in mode 1, I have the red-blue flash pattern programmed. And then here on the aux button, I have my Z surface mounts hooked up on a red-blue color flash pattern as well. So this would be a red-blue color setup. Now you'll notice when I hit mode 2 on my Raptor here, it'll switch over to an amber color flash pattern, and then same thing on my Virtue here to an amber color flash pattern, and then if I hit my other aux switch here, that will change my Zs to an amber color flash pattern as well. So I have that ability to run my multicolor units in their primary, secondary, or multicolor flash patterns. So your primary and secondary color flash patterns are at the end of your pattern sequence, and then when you get through those, you'll be into your multicolor flash patterns. So I'll go ahead and do that here on my Raptor. So I'll go ahead and hit the pattern button, and you'll see it'll finish cycling through the secondary color flash patterns, and then I'm back into my multicolor flash patterns. And then same thing here on my Virtue. I'll go ahead and cycle past the amber color flash patterns, and then I'll be back into my multicolor flash patterns. And then I can do the same thing on my Z surface mounts by using my yellow flash pattern cable. So this would be a perfect option for an all-in-one interior setup with your Raptor visor light bar for the front of your vehicle, the MultiColor Virtue traffic advisor for the back of your vehicle, and then you could use the Z surface mounts, and I like to pair these with the license plate bracket, and you could put the Z surface mounts on your license plates. And all of these lights can easily be controlled by our GranDirect control box via plug-in connectors here. So make sure to check out the product pages for the full product information. Also watch our full product demo and use our interactive players to demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.